Let's solve this intake and output over 8 period of your shift. So let's start. So try to go over and try to see if you get the correct answer, like same answer like me, or we got different answer. So pause the video and go over and write your numbers. So let's start. So when you get this kind of question or problem, you write these things, two things. One side you are going to write intake, other side you are going to write output, right? Two things. So you go one at a time. So let's start. So at your shift, this is from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. your shift, which is 8-hour shift, right? So let's start. So 8 o'clock IV with D5 with infusing at 900 ml left in the bag. So if you start your shift and the patient is already running IV hydration 900 ml left in the bag, so this did not tell me how much he got, but at the end of the shift we will see how much exactly he got out of 900, right? So now let's jump on to 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. patient had 150 ml urine output, so that means he had 150 ml output, right? Now you go to 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. 200 ml gastric tube formula and 50 ml water at Q3 interval. So that's mean 200 ml formula every 3 hour of interval, right? So that's mean it will give me 600 ml, and the water is also 50 ml every 3 hour of interval, which will give me 150 ml, right? Now 1 o'clock patient had 220 ml voided, so he voided again had 220 ml, right? The next is 3:15 p.m. patient had 235 ml voided, so again this is comes under voided. And 4 o'clock so this is the last hour of your shift. 4 o'clock you're about to end, so IV with 550 ml left in the bag. So they mention in the morning 8 o'clock that when you started your shift it has 900 ml in the bag, right? But by the end of the shift it still has 550 ml remaining. So what it would, so that's mean how much patient got. So how much it got? So 900 was in the morning, and by 4 p.m. it still has 550 remaining. So that's mean the patient got only 350 ml, right? 350 ml. So now we will calculate all the intakes. So 600 of formula plus 150 ml of water plus 300 of IV hydration will give us 1100 ml. 1100 ml. That's how much he got intake, right? How about outputs? So 150 output plus another voided 220 plus 235. Oh, sorry. That means 605. 605 was his output, right? So now the question is asking you guys that what is the difference between the client intake and output? So the intake was 1100 ml minus 605 was output. So let's see. So 1100 minus 605 will give us, that means 495 ml was the difference. So during your exam, if you get this kind of question, they will give you like this kind of box where you enter the number. So you will say 495 ml. That's how you're going to solve this problem.